Guys, welcome back to our channel once again with Rashid, and today we are very back after the heavy rain, and we are moving forward to the Fujairah side, and came to know there is a very beautiful gym. We wanted to have a visit to the spot and have a look and grab some beautiful picture, and I wish it's not cold so we can take a shower and swim, inshallah. Let's see. And once again, appreciated everyone for your beautiful comments on the channel. Thank you so much being on the channel, and catch you in Fujairah, inshallah, in the mountains. Yeah, thank you so much. Beautiful weather. It's cloudy, and at least we need 10 or 15 minutes to reach on the spot. We have reached at the spot, and it's clearly written, do not bring dogs. We don't have dogs with us. Okay, so it's a hiking trail. Let's see. And there are lots of people over here. Let's move. As we have reached at the spot, and it's a very beautiful valley, and you can see the people are around. We have reached at the spot, and I'm looking a way to go down at that place. Let's see. We have missed the trek, but we are going to find our way. And really, it's very beautiful. You can see the guys are swimming in the water behind me, if you can see. It's very beautiful. Let's go there and have a swim.
और दिए तो कुछ मोबाइल
Guys, this is the beautiful gym, what I was telling you about, and it's very deep. Yeah, I don't know if we can go down for a swim or we're going to go that side. Let's see.
مش مرعاه شعرنا وكذا كم उतराइए चढ़ाइए चौकने ये रमदा में बंदी की जगह
Guys, the water is freezing. So cold. I don't want to make a swim. It's really, really freezing. Wow. Shit. Cigarette? It's very cold, guys, and I went to the water. Now it's fine, but it's windy, Now for him to jump, yeah. It's a beautiful place. A beautiful place. And I'm going to go forward because there is a waterfall over there. And let's see. I wanted to explore it a bit more. It's a new spot for me. And very amazing, very beautiful place. Yalla! Ah, you need help? Guys, we have done with this and let's go. There is one more spot over there. I need to check that one. It's a waterfall and I'll come back over here again. It's amazing. It's windy, yes, but amazing. I love this spot, yeah. Aman Zorta? It's very peaceful place and we are moving forward to the waterfall area. Let's see if we can reach. And guys, try this place. Really, it's very beautiful place for a swim, for a family to come out to enjoy this spot. It's a hidden gem in Fujairah. Still walking. We could not reach to the waterfall. Let's see till where. But this place really is amazing. And still the water is flowing. It's windy. Wow. Guys, if you're living in UAE, please do try this Fujairah hidden gem. It's very amazing and still the water is flowing. Come out with your family and kids, yeah. Yes, we have done with our exploring in Fujairah. Me and Murad, we are moving back to the house, to the car actually, because we came very far in the mountain. And thank you so much, guys, once again. Appreciated everyone. It's really, for me, it's a beautiful moment. I love rain. And after the rain, the river was flowing, and we took a swim. And might come on the next week once again if it rains again. And catch you back, guys, once again in the new vlog. Please do watch the full video. Appreciated everyone. Thank you so much once again, everyone. Guys, we are moving back. It's a beautiful moment, evening time. I wish we could sit at the evening, but it's very far from our house. We need to move back. Really, it's amazing valley, yeah. We are reaching by the car, and it was really very beautiful, amazing moment for me, for coming and exploring Fujairah with the beautiful gym. If you can see the water behind me, we have just taken a swim over here, and it's time to leave because it's going to be evening and sunset is nearby. Let's come next week, inshallah, if the water stays, and I'm going to explore more because we came late. And thank you so much once again, everyone. Appreciated for your beautiful comments on the channel once again, and thank you so much once again, everyone. And